How to fix Facebook profile lock option not showing. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like Facebook profile lock option not showing on your device. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Facebook app with your account. Alright, so after you open the Facebook with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the top left corner. And now from this interface you'll have to tap on this three dot just at the right hand section of that advertise icon, so simply tap on it. And now from the profile setting, make sure that you have turned off the professional mode for your Facebook account. So from here you'll have to simply tap on this professional mode and make sure that this feature is turned off from your account, so simply tap on this continue. Alright, tap on turn off. Okay, so simply tap on close. Okay, refresh it. Alright, so after you turn off the professional mode on your Facebook account, you'll be able to see your options like lock profile. So simply tap on this lock profile option. And now from here, you can easily lock your Facebook profile. So tap on this lock your profile. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully locked my Facebook profile. So in this way, you can also lock your profile on Facebook. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.